Hey guys, sorry it's kind of dark video today, but hang on one second. I'm gonna open my window some more, a little more. There we go. All right, once again, sorry the video is kind of dark, but my cough is back. Yes, we thought we had gotten rid of it, but it's back and worse than ever. Not really the coughing part, but man, I don't know what the frick this is, but it's irritating because last night I wasn't feeling too good, and I've also had my cough back for a few days now. It's pretty irritating, and but looking on the bright side of things, I got a new desk chair, and yeah, so yeah, but my cough, it's still freaking there. It's irritating. Like, it's still there. It's so irritating. So I'm gonna get up and get a, turn on the lights. This is what my chair does when I stand up. Oh, I didn't do it this time. I'll show you in another video. There we go. So the lights are on, and, sit back down. Okay. So, but yeah, my cough is still there, and it is irritating. Do you hear me? Irritating. The most irritating thing ever. But just wanted to let you guys know that my cough is still there, and yeah. Listen what my chair does when I stand up. It crackles. Well, it sometimes does. I'll show that in a separate video, but yeah, goodbye.